In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Shirakawa Island farmhouse here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Go ahead and just pause your game real quickly. Not going to first person. I don't know why I did that. But open up the world map, and essentially what you need to do is filter by the map regions. And you need to go to the Minamino region, just like so. Zoom in on this region, and you're going to see this Shirakawa Go sign. It's always going to be here, and this region is kind of above Tokyo City itself. So go here, and then of course you need to go specifically like right underneath this sign. If I zoom in real quick, that's about where you need to go. You can just fast travel here if you've already driven down this road for whatever reason. There is like a little like XP thing over here. So yeah, you can make your way over to this location. We're actually going to get this XP thing here as well. But once, of course, you're here, you essentially just need to position your car however you want. And your car doesn't need to necessarily be in here, but obviously it looks cooler for the picture if it is going to be in here. And you just need to enter photo mode and, of course, get yourself a photo. So enter in photo mode real quick. Go ahead and zoom out a little bit. And, of course, just take that picture. And that is going to be the Shirakawa Island farmhouse, just like so. It really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.